In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a file on Google Drive. Sharing files through Google Drive is a fantastic way to ensure that everyone you need to collaborate with has access to the most up-to-date documents, all without the hassle of emailing files back and forth. Let's dive right in and look at how you can do this. First things first, you'll need to open Google Drive. This is your starting point. Navigate to your web browser and type in drive.google.com. Press enter and, if prompted, sign in with your Google account credentials. If you're all logged in, you should now see your Google Drive dashboard. This is where all your files, folders, and shared documents live. Now take a look around your drive to find the specific file you want to share. This could be in My Drive or tucked away inside any of the folders you have organized. It's important to know exactly where your file lives so you can easily access it whenever needed. Once you've spotted your file, right-click on it. This will trigger a menu to pop up on your screen, and this menu holds the key to sharing your document. With the menu in view, you'll want to click on the Share option. This action opens up a new sharing window that will help you decide how to distribute your file effectively. In the sharing window, focus your attention on the bottom where you see a copy link button. Clicking this will quickly reveal a link to your document. But hold on, before you go sharing that link with others, you may want to consider how you'd like to set up access permissions. You'll notice an option that says Restricted. Click on this to change the access settings to anyone with the link. At this stage, you'll choose the level of access you want to grant. You have three options: viewer, commenter, and editor. If you just want others to see the file, viewer is the perfect choice. If you need input on the document, commenter will allow others to leave feedback. And if you're collaborating and need full involvement, editor will give others full access to modify the file. Once your preferred settings are selected, click Copy Link again to ensure that your new settings are saved with the link you're about to share. Now, your shareable Google Drive link is ready to go. You can paste it wherever you need, such as in an email, a messaging app like Messenger, or even through WhatsApp. And there you have it, simple, straightforward sharing with Google Drive. With these steps, you now have the power to share your files with minimal hassle, allowing seamless collaboration and communication. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing.